Hello, homeowner. If I can show you how to save tens of thousands of dollars in equity in your property, would that be something you would want to know about? Yes? Then I can show you that, and I'm going to do that right now. Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Darrell Williams here in Southern California with Win-Win Realtors. And the document that will assist you in saving tens of thousands of dollars in equity is called the Homestead Declaration. Here in California, when you become a homeowner, you have the right to file or record what's called the Homestead Declaration. This Homestead Declaration document is designed to protect a certain amount of equity from creditors, judgment, things of that nature. Now, in order for this Homestead Declaration to be valid, you must have it recorded. You must complete it. It's a document you could go Google and print. You must record it at the county recorder's office. You could only have a Homestead Declaration on your personal residence. You could have one homestead at a time. And you can homestead a single family residence, a condominium, a multifamily residence, a yacht even. Now, this Homestead Declaration does not protect you against foreclosure or your equity against foreclosure, a trust deed, or what we call a mortgage. So I don't want you to confuse it with that. What it is, it's an asset protecting document that you have the right to take advantage of. I believe here in California, it could protect up to $75,000 if you're single, and $100,000, I believe, if you are, if it's a couple. Now, it's important not to get scammed by some of the scammers. When you go buy a home, you receive tons of documentation, like within the first 30 to 90 days or so. Some of the scammers will charge you hundreds of dollars to file this Homestead Declaration on your behalf. This is something that you could do on your own. Okay, it's something you could do on your own. All right, I'm Darrell Williams with Win-Win Realtors. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And if you know someone that this message will be a benefit to, please share this video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.